In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Editor X in Wix, a quick and straightforward process that should take about 5 minutes. Opening Editor X enables you to access a powerful tool specifically designed for professional web designers who are looking to craft fully responsive and advanced websites with ease. So let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you're ready to dive into Editor X with confidence. The first thing you'll want to do is sign in to your Wix account. To do this, simply head over to the Wix website and enter your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which just requires a few minutes of your time. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, a hub of tools and options to help you manage your websites. Now that you're in your Wix account, the next step is to click on the option that says Create a New Site. You should see this prominently displayed on your dashboard. Clicking this will take you to the page where you can start crafting your new project. Here, you'll be greeted with several choices, so it's important to understand your options to decide what's best for your needs. At this point, you'll notice something interesting. The logo at the top will have changed to say Wix Studio. This signifies that you're now on the right path to accessing the advanced tools of Editor X. Observing this change is a helpful indicator that you've correctly followed the initial steps. You'll then be presented with multiple pathways for starting your site. You'll see 3 main options: starting from a blank canvas, beginning with a template, or generating a site structure with AI. Each option caters to different needs and preferences. For those who prefer total control over every detail, the blank canvas is ideal. If you're looking to save time while still achieving a beautiful design, starting with a template could be the best choice. And lastly, if you're looking to integrate the latest tech capabilities, the AI-generated structure might be the intriguing path for you. Additionally, on this same page, you'll notice another option known as Build with the Wix Editor. This is the traditional way of creating sites in Wix for those who prefer the classic interface. However, for this tutorial, we're focusing on opening Editor X, which can ultimately provide more sophisticated design capabilities. By carefully following these steps, you'll confidently be able to access and explore Wix's sophisticated toolset through Editor X, enhancing your web design projects with greater flexibility and responsiveness. I hope this guide has been helpful as you embark on your creative journey with Wix.